Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson with Joshua's Guitar, and today we'll be learning some more slide guitar licks in standard tuning, so let's get to it. If you enjoy the content here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell icon and select all, so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Let's get to the lesson. Okay, so for this slide guitar lesson, we're going to be in the key of G, and we're going to start off with open licks first. Okay, so the first lick's going to go like this. Okay, so we're going to open G string, and we're going to slide into the 3rd fret. We're going to do that again. Like that. And then we're hitting open G string. One more time. Just alternating between open, 3rd fret, open, 3rd fret, open. Then we do the same thing on the D string. But our last note is going to be the G, open G string, okay? So, open G string. Okay, so from the top. Okay, open D string, 3rd fret. Okay. Okay, so our next lick's gonna go like this. Okay, so this one we're gonna be starting on the B string in the 6th fret, sliding up into the 8th fret. Then we're going 6, 3, well, 2 slides up to the 8, 6, 3 on the B string. So there's 3rd fret B string, slide to 3rd fret G string, and back to the 2nd fret, roughly, of the G string. Okay, so from 2nd to 3, to the 3rd fret, sorry, from 2 to 3. Slide to the 3rd fret of the D string, and then open G string. Okay, so from the top. Okay, so the next lick's gonna go like this. We're gonna be up here, starting on the 15th fret. Okay, so 15th fret, high E string. Sliding up to that 15th fret twice. And then back to the 13th. And then doing the same thing on the B string. 15, 15, into 13. 11 on the B string, sliding into that. And then hitting 12 on the G string. Okay, and then we're going 12 D string. Okay, so 12 D string, 10 G string. That slide into 11, just a little bit past 11. And then into 12 of the G string. Okay, so it's 11 B string, 12 onto the G string. Okay, so high E string, B string, 11-ish to 12 on the G string, D string 12, G string 10, B string 11-ish to G string 12. It's another variation. I just went. It's going to be it for this lesson of Joshua's guitar. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment down in the description. And if you enjoy the content here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon and select all. That way you won't miss any new videos that come out. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.